Hello kids! Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, pink color, black color, green color, peach color, brown color, red color, purple color, blue color. Let's draw some 2D shapes. Pentagon, Pentagon, rhombus, rhombus, star, yes, star, trapezoid, trapezoid, crescent, crescent,
Amazing!
circle. Now let's color the shapes. Purple color, purple color, red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, orange color, orange color, green color, pink color, pink color, pentagon, rhombus, star, trapezoid, crescent, circle. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.